Anime are fun to watch, and at the same time, there are so many anime out there who make us go yabba dabba doo. Friends, they make us run our brains on rail. These anime may have some mystery, horror, a character whose IQ can beat even Einstein, and a sense of us being part of that mystery. So friends, in today's video, we are gonna look at some of these characters who are even the father of Einstein, whose brain is so fast that even the fastest bullet train is like a Cadillac, is like a snail walking down the path. So friends, let's start our list of the top 10 smartest anime character with brain of Einstein. So, in this list, there are so many anime characters in whose mind what is happening we can't even comprehend. But in this, I wanted to put the top 10 and only one character per series. So, I had to keep some out. But this list is never complete without them. So, friends, here are those characters as honorable mention. First is Levi Ackerman, then Itachi Uchiha, Madara Uchiha, Yameko Jabani, Ray from Promised Neverland, Mavis Vermilion from Fairy Tail, Merlin from Seven Deadly Sins, Suyu Uchiha, Urahara from Bleach, Sokka from Hunter x Hunter, and so many characters. So now with our 10 top 10 list, the 10th one on our list is Aguero Agnes Khan. Agnes is a light bearer, which is a position best suited for a strategist and the one with the brains. Agnes is always quick to action and can turn unfavorable condition into his favor with his brain. She is friend with Bam and was one of the reasons why Bam was able to climb the tower in the beginning. Now the ninth one on our list is Conan Edogawa. Famously known by the actual name of Conan was Shinichi Kurogawa, but he was turned into a kid by an drug known as A119 by a black organization. And friends, this is a detective in the form of a kid, and even he is a fan of Conan Doyle, Sherlock Holmes, and he can compete with our Sherlock Holmes. So friends, now Conan is on the ninth place. On the eighth place, we have Norman from Promise of Neverland. Friends, when the condition is of life or death, then you have to work your brain out. And friend, Norman is one of the character who knows how to use his brain. Norman is the smartest among the trio, Ray, Norman, and Enma. Norman was one of the reasons for the defeat of the Queen and the five families in turn for the freedom of the Gracefield kids. And friends, this is some of the spoiler which you will see in the last chapter of the series, but something which shows that Norman is the smartest. Throughout the Promised Neverland, we got to know what Norman was, a boy who had always aced the score with full marks, never got below 300. And friends, after Norman, we have on the 7th place Goro Sensei from Assassination Classroom. Goro Sensei, before turning into that tentacle Mach 20 octopus, was regarded as the world's greatest and most feared assassin. He was cold-blooded, cruel, and at the same time a master strategist. After becoming the sensei of Class E, he took it on himself to teach the student all things, not just from book, but from life. He made note for each student separately, helped each according to their pace, all this while being attacked by their student. So Koro Sensei is the world's greatest multitasker. And now after Koro Sensei, on the 6th place, we have Senku Ishigami from Dr. Stone. This is a scientist of the Stone Age, friends. But this Stone Age scientist is not only going to discover the wheel, but he is going to discover every greatest thing that the humankind have achieved in the whole decade, in these 2 decades. And friends, Senku is a person who can make nuclear bomb out of sticks and rocks. And friends, He is regarded as a jack of all trades when it is comes to science. Fifth place we have Meruem from Hunter x Hunter. Meruem is a being who is at the top of all species, both in terms of power and brains. He is son of the Ant Queen, who have gave birth to him through the combined DNA of humans, insects, animals, and birds. He has the Nan ability from birth, and his brain is developed to its full form from birth. Just after being born, he was able to defeat the masters of many strategic games like the masters of chess, mahjong, and many many more. And even if he have defeat only once, and that is from Komugi, but even then he is someone who is the on the peak of mind as well as in term of power. The fourth place we have Sosuke Aizen from Bleach. Friend, Aizen is a character whom I love the most from my heart, the best villain ever. Aizen doesn't have any motive behind why he is doing those bad things. The only thing he wants is the destruction of the world. And friends, in doing so, he has planned for more than 20 years in the future. Nobody, not even the head of the Soul Society could even think about that. So Aizen is a person whom I love and hate at the same time. But I have to agree that he is some of the best villain with the brains. On the third place, we have Lelouch Lamperogue. Lelouch is a character who has very high level of comprehension among all the people around him. He was a master of shogi, a kind of chess, learned the piano at the age of 3, knew 3 languages, made his own sign language at childhood, could ride horses and many more with swords. He was a genius intellect. He is a gambler who loves to take risks using his brain and always he is come to be successful. Now friends, after now we have came to the our top 2, and on the top second place I have put Shikamaru Nara from Naruto Shippuden. This is the greatest strategist that I have ever seen in any anime. Shikamaru has always proven himself to be the brainy kid who was best at the games of the brain. He is currently the brain behind Naruto, who always guide him to make decisions for the village. His strategy actually came in spotlight in the Great Ninja War and before that after the death of his sensei Asuma. He defeated a guy who can't die and also caused the defeat of the killer of the first Hokage. Shikamaru, in terms of strategy, is easily above all the characters on this list and also in the Naruto series. If Shikamaru, if we can say that Shikamaru is the Madara of brain. In terms of brains, he is as powerful as Madara on the first place. I have to give him this place because why not? He is a character that I also love a lot and not a villain. He is one of my favorite hero character in anime, and that is Light Yagami. Friends, many will say that Yagami was a villain, but for me he is a hero. Light Yagami will always be counted among the MC who had a twisted mind. Many will say what he did was right, but many will say that what he did was completely destroyed what he did had completely destroyed the genius. But it could never be denied that up till the end, no one, not even L, was able to defeat him, and his death was also caused by a mistake. His brain, if he had been used for the betterment of society, could have been the greatest gift for God to us, but the devil stained him. Light was the smartest MC that any anime has ever seen, and there are very small chance that someone could ever take his place. So friends, this was the list of the top 10 smartest anime character who has got the brain of Einstein. So friends, if you like this race, remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that like button. And friends, also check out my website animeman.xyz where I post a lot of anime related content. And friends, you can find this list also over there. So if you are a person who likes to read more than listen, so you can check out my website. So friends, Vivek Jain signing out.